Welcome on YouTube, you know it's your boy Clickman. You're tuned to Click React. Today we're gonna be looking at some celebrities' most savage reactions, savage moments, man. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know which one of these moments to you completely took you off guard, because I'm sure there'll be some, man. Appreciate you guys for watching. We're just gonna get right into it, man. Peace.
Later in her career called the most rebellious thing she did as a teenager.
It's like when I find that person that is right for me and he'll be wonderful. And when I look at that person, I'm not even going to be able to remember the boy who broke up with me over the phone in 25 seconds when I was 18.
God damn. Damn.
When DJ
Shade
was doing an Instagram live, Drake decided to try to shoot his shot with Rihanna by writing Rihanna drop R12 right now, which is making a reference to her Fenty foundation, to which Rihanna responded, give Drake some water, and everyone on the live went crazy.
Oh my
Rich people
God,
problems sometimes
bro.
can be a
That's
bit
so
silly.
disrespectful.
In an episode of Keeping Up with the Kardashians, Kendall Jenner got very upset with her mother when she wanted to throw Kendall a big party in the Bahamas, and she found it embarrassing.
Why would you tell Courtney that I'm having my birthday at the Bahamas?
What?
It's in the
What an
Bahamas.
issue. What an issue.
I'm not gonna do it. Do you not understand? I feel like maybe you're acting a little unappreciative. You're trying to make
Sure
this
is.
bigger and it's embarrassing me. You're just giving me this. Like, you're just handing it to me. I don't want it.
At The Late Show with Stephen
That's
Colbert,
nice.
Nicki Minaj was invited for an interview, and around the middle of the interview, she showed some remarkable lyrical skills, in maybe not the most PG way, but skillful regardless.
Okay, I would say I might Steven after the show. He gonna come back to work with a magical glow, but
You probably.
During an interview with Selena Gomez at the David Letterman show, the host was telling her an anecdote about how he made Justin Bieber cry during a conversation, and that's when Selena added a savage remark.
And I said something, and I made him cry.
Well, then that makes two of us.
During an interview with Jimmy
He ain't got no
Fallon,
manners.
for a moment, Jimmy thought he really offended a guest, and maybe even a whole community, so he got really scared. And you can even see his career flash before his eyes.
First time a drag queen has ever been put on the cover of...
drag queen?
Oh no.
A drag queen?
Yeah. He saw his career flash before his eyes.
I am the queen of drag.
Yo,
A
I'm dead.
hilarious moment at a mattress store happened when Warren Buffett asked the workers to check the richest man in the world's credit.
Check this man's credit, see if he's good.
Way back in the day, Kendall Jenner once tweeted, if Rihanna doesn't perform Complicated tomorrow, I'm gonna be very upset. Hashtag favorite song. And Rihanna responded to that tweet by saying, well, don't come.
Nah,
At the Jimmy
that's not
Fallon
true.
show,
That's
Sean
not true.
Evans was invited to host his show Hot Ones with Selena Gomez. And when they tried a sauce that literally made Jimmy Fallon bark out of pain, she responded, it's not that bad.
I'm feeling something. I feel something.
It's actually not bad.
Wait, what?
Really?
Selena rocking it.
Selena always is
Usually
on this type of
top-class
shit.
athletes are not using public transport, especially when they have a net worth of $500 million. An interesting moment to watch was when LeBron James and some team members were super excited about taking
On
the
the
subway,
subway?
and apparently one guy was giving him kind of an
That's
attitude.
kinda like-
So LeBron
That's kind of like disrespectful, no? Like that you're acting like it's glorious to fucking want. Like nobody really wants to do that shit.
kind of shaded him.
What's squishy? What's squishy? I don't know this dude right here. He tripping. He done. Hey, D-Wade. Hey, what, we on this train?
Man, we out here, dog.
Hey.
We out here.
Hey, we on this train. Yeah, we got more room now. Look.
Is that security?
Chill out.
When Sofia Vergara was invited to Jimmy Fallon's show,
It's so
they ended
rude.
up talking about football, and Jimmy asked her about a quarterback, and Sofia couldn't pronounce his name at all.
Roethlisberger.
Oh. Yo, her accent's actually funny.
A news reporter was doing an interview with Nicki Minaj when she learned that Nicki doesn't like getting compared to other artists, and asked the reporter why does she think she looks like Lady Gaga.
What?
when I turn the cameras around and ask you,
Just the wigs and the
wigs. Every female in this game wears wigs.
over-the-top costume.
Over the top costumes. Try again.
Gordon Ramsay is
Yeah, that
known for
shit
his
is funny.
patience. During an episode of Hell's Kitchen, he was starting to lose his patience with one of the waiters.
Nicki been rude on her in her interviews though for a long time.
And he finally lost it when the waiter said he couldn't understand a client because of the language barrier. Because the client was from Texas.
There's a language barrier there.
What do you mean there's a language barrier? He's speaking English, you...
I know, but he's from Texas.
A good lesson to learn is that some people just don't like getting touched.
Your hands crossed.
Spoiler alert.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Please. There's other ones.
No. That was something Freddie did.
Sneaker shopping with Complex is a very
Those little gestures and you know that you're on live TV is kind of fun.
popular series on YouTube in which celebrities go on basically a Q&A while sneaker shopping very high-end shoes, with Canelo Alvarez even dropping $19,000 in one trip. And well,
The
when
fuck
singer
did you
Billie
buy?
Eilish was a guest on the show, all of a sudden she revealed to have a big dislike for Vans.
That's why with the Vans, it's just like small dick energy.
Yeah, I heard not a big fan of
I don't know
Vans.
what it is. I
Huh?
tried. I see somebody with Vans, I'm like, oh, they got a small dick.
we talked about
Kevin Hart
Strange.
has probably one of the most distinct voices.
I mean, I don't wear
One of the
Vans.
best imitations done by an actor was when Breaking Bad actor Bryan Cranston made an impeccable imitation of him coming to the set.
That's actually legit.
Why aren't you smiling?
Shit, that sounds like it's hard for him to do though, because his voice
It
is
can
so
be kinda
far
annoying
off.
for celebrities when they ask them about someone who they dated in the past, over and over. So sometimes they give very unenthusiastic
I bet.
responses to discourage interviewers from asking those questions.
Billboard cover story. You opened up and talked about how Justin Bieber has had a big impact in your life. And I want to know, how would you say he's most influenced the person that you are today?
I mean, I don't think anybody truly actually cares.
Back when Fifth Harmony and its members weren't well known, they actually were in X Factor, and for some odd reason, singer Britney Spears didn't seem too keen on them, and even
X
told them that
Factor?
she'll be surprised if they make it to the finals.
I would be really surprised if you guys are here next week.
And
Oh
Britney's face
shit.
when they announced they actually were going to the finals was priceless.
Fifth Harmony.
Oh, it was only because of Camilla. Oh my god, Britney.
During an
That
interview,
don't
the
look
host was
good.
trying to get Taylor Swift to say that her song's style was about Harry Styles, and Taylor kept deflecting the questions, and the interviewer didn't seem to get the hint, so she shut the questions down in a perfect
Like,
manner.
shut the fuck up.
Look in his eye, long hair, slick back, white t-shirt. Is this autobiographical? Do you have that person?
Like I said, everybody has that person.
Does your person also sing?
I want them to picture their ex-boyfriend, not mine.
Apparently, American singer Cher
Good
had a
answer.
dislike for Madonna, and it was made very clear when she was playing the 5-second rule in The Ellen Show, and made it clear that she wasn't open to a collab with her.
Name 3 celebrities you'd want to do a duet with.
Oh, Adele, Pink, and, not Madonna.
Yeah.
At the BET Awards, the host of the awards
Unnecessary.
made a joke about Rihanna's song, "B Better Get My Money," by saying that someone should give her money. And well, coincidentally next to her was Floyd Money Mayweather.
Somebody give Rihanna her damn money.
It's a one-stop shop. The BlendJet 2 portable blender is the perfect gift for everyone.
When Kris Jenner took some slabs of marble away from Kim Kardashian, Kim became kind of upset because
What
the
the
marble
fuck?
was hard to find, and she said to Kris she was going to charge her for the marble, and Kris didn't like that.
Whole bathroom.
Really? Because you didn't have one slab of marble?
No. We needed 10 and you took 10.
I took 6. In the United
10.
States, 6.
They just sent me the invoice today. You took 10.
You're charging me for the marble?
Absolutely.
Oh shit.
Rapper Snoop Dogg was discovered by Dr. Dre in
That
the early
family's weird.
1990s. So he's been seeing trends in music for a while, and in an interview, he kind of mocked the new style of mumble rapping by imitating the popular group Migos.
That's what's wrong right now. Everybody trying to rap the same style with the, I don't know who created it, if it was Future or Migos, but all them sound the same.
That's actually funny. This is
Sometimes
actually
we
funny
might
because it
underestimate
kind
a
of flowed.
celebrity's relationship with another celebrity. When an interviewer was telling Rihanna about a royal wedding, Rihanna didn't seem to be aware of the event, and the interviewer was actually surprised that she wasn't invited.
He's still on the internet more.
So you weren't invited? I was hoping that we would see you.
Why would you think I'm invited?
I don't know, you met him.
Okay, you met me. You think you were coming to my wedding?
Oh my god.
Am I coming to yours?
I mean, you'll get the invite.
Oh, girl.
A very savage moment from Ariana Grande happened when Kanye West was kind of beefing with Drake on Twitter by saying that he wanted Drake to apologize for some things. Even though Drake wasn't responding, Kanye kept tweeting about the situation.
Having a conversation
And
with
that's when
himself. You know
Ariana
Kanye.
tweeted, "Guys, I know there are grown men arguing online right now, but Miley and I are dropping new songs tonight. So if you all could please just behave for a few hours so the girls can shine, that'd be so sick, thank you." When Mariah Carey was asked to say 3 nice things about Nicki Minaj, she gave an answer most people didn't
I
expect.
didn't know those guys were
Things
beefing.
about Nicki Minaj.
Can you?
An interviewer was doing a piece on Tesla when she tried bringing up
This
Elon
clown.
Musk's competitor and how that is something that may make Tesla's value go down. And of course, Elon was fast to shut that down.
They're ramping up production of their electric vehicles. Warren Buffett owns 10% stake in that. Why do you laugh? BRZ is trying to compete. Why do you laugh?
Have you seen their car?
Shawn Mendes was in a rap battle with Odell Beckham when
Odell
Odell
can rap?
bragged about his relationship with Drake, and Shawn proceeded to obliterate Beckham.
You brought up Drake because you lived in his house, but if he ever heard you rap, I'm sure he'd kick your ass out, man.
The American school system has a
Got
reputation
bars.
of